episode of HOC TV. Today we are here with Dr. Khouri, who is our May Top Doctor of the Month. Dr. Khouri, how are you this afternoon?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Great. So Dr. Khouri, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I've been a doctor for 24 years.
Okay.
I did my residency in Canada, in Montreal, and I moved to Midland 15 years ago, so I've been practicing here for 15 years.
Fantastic. And what brought you to Midland?
There was a good opportunity, and I was recruited by a Canadian doctor to come down here to work with him.
Okay, fantastic. And can you tell our viewers a little bit about your specialty, urology, and what it is?
Urology is the specialty about the urinary system. A lot of people think there's mostly men, but that's not true. I have about 50% men, 50% women. There's different problems, of course. Men is going to be more about the prostate, and women is going to be more about the incontinence. But overall, there's urinary problems on both sides.
Fantastic. It's good to know that. So, do you have any types of programs that help that can help our viewers?
Yes.
Events that come up that you educate them about different problems that'll happen and age groups and that type of thing?
Absolutely. In fact, almost every month I do one men's health or women's health about urology. Last month it was about low testosterone. I also do some about the female incontinence, about erectile dysfunctions and other urinary problems. They are advertised in advance in the newspaper, and we also send a lot of flyers about those events.
Fantastic. What do patients come to expect when they come into your office? The treatment, the atmosphere?
We're working very hard to get our patients in our office as fast as possible. So when they have a problem, they don't have to wait 3-4 weeks before getting in. So typically we try to get them in the same week, or if it's towards the end of the week, early next week. We also do a lot of the testing and the treatment directly in my office, so we don't have to go back and forth in the hospital or in other places to do those treatments. That's
fantastic. And as far as the hospital goes, do you have any hospital affiliations here?
Yes, I'm affiliated with Midland Memorial Hospital to do my major surgeries, and I also go to Odessa at Basin to do smaller procedures.
Fantastic. Can you give us an idea of when people should be concerned about coming into a practice like this? You know, when problems start, you know, sooner the better. Is there a specific age group that you tend to focus on more?
Yes, for men it's very important to start getting the prostate checked at least once a year starting at age 40, unless there's some factors that make you start at age 40 instead of 50. For example, if there is a history of prostate cancer in your family, or if you have a high PSA, or if you already know that you have prostate problems, you should be checked at least once a year starting at age 40.
Fantastic. And can you tell us a little bit about, for our viewers, can you tell us where they can find out more information about your practice and how they can schedule an appointment to come see you if they need to?
Yes, absolutely. You can find all my information on the internet on my website, which is www.midlandurology.com. My phones are answered 24 hours. I have an answering service. So you just call my office at 432-682-0574, and someone will answer you. Even if you have an emergency and the office is closed, the answering service will transfer you directly to my cell phone, and you can talk to me.
That's fantastic, because we focus so much on patient care and being available to our patients 24/7, so it's good to hear that our physicians feel the same way. What has your experience been like working with Hands of Compassion?
I've been having really great success. My patients have been very happy with the services of Hands of Compassion, and definitely I recommend those services to all my patients.
Great. Well, we recommend your services as well. We love partnering with you. Well, that's it for this episode of HOC TV, and we'd like to thank our Doctor of the Month, Dr. Khouri, and you can find all of his information on our website at www.hochomecare.com, on our HOC TV, as well as our Facebook page and our blog. So look out for those press releases and those blogs coming to the internet soon. And thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you soon.